Hello, good afternoon from Tenerife. It is 12:35 p.m. at present. So just sending you the view of today. This is the natural pool down here in Los Gigantes. Excellent weather today. There you can have a look at it. And this is all a walking way. Like it's excellent. Yeah, it's a good walkway also, but I'm going to go and show you now. And this is all Los Gigantes place where we had a bad weather a few days back. Even yesterday, where there were rains, and today you can see how the weather's been changed. Excellent weather, people in a yacht, enjoying the sea. The sea is very calm today. People doing some boat sports and everything. There, if I zoom in, there you've got the island Gomera, which is quite visible today as the weather is quite clear. The sky is clear today. And this is all walking zone with a good hotel around here. Where you can see it's nearly full, the hotel at present. As it's a noon time, so people will be either in the pool or either in the beach enjoying the weather. So you can't see practically anyone walking around at this part of the day, as it's very sunny, quite hot. Everyone enjoying the weather. Like around in this area you do have some swings for the kids, for elders to enjoy. We are back again over here, the same area but just a different location a little bit. People, they go down here also to swim. Excellent day to be in the water. This is again, we are near the hotel. Generally over here there's a restaurant which is closed for vacations. This is exactly where it is. Los Gigantes, Mirador with a viewpoint, La Hondura, again a viewpoint. That's the natural swimming pool which I showed earlier, Las Vacas, Puerto del Santiago, and Paso Maritimo. Yeah. To have a nice day. Enjoy yourself.